Hey everyone, this is SEA Crypto Daily Buzz. Today is June 16th, 2026, and this channel summarizes the most important crypto news for investors in Southeast Asia. The market is in its third day of recovery. Bitcoin is at $66,030, up 0.56% after touching $67,200 intraday. And Ethereum is leading the move at $1,771, up 2.95%. Here are three stories that matter for traders in Philippines, Vietnam, Indonesia, and Thailand. BlackRock launched its second Bitcoin product on Nasdaq today, the iShares Bitcoin Premium Income ETF, ticker BITA. This is the first yield-bearing Bitcoin ETF from a major issuer, built on a covered call strategy against BlackRock's spot IBIT holdings. The target annual yield is 15 to 25%. Distributions are monthly, the expense ratio is 0.65%, and the fund captures around 70% of Bitcoin's upside in exchange for that income. BlackRock beat Goldman Sachs to this segment. The macro backdrop helped. The US and Iran confirmed a 14-point peace memorandum. With $24 billion in frozen Iranian assets to be released, the Strait of Hormuz reopening within 30 days, and the formal signing set for Friday, June 19th in Switzerland. For Southeast Asia, BITA opens a yield-focused entry point that may appeal to OFW remittance savers and retirement allocators who want Bitcoin exposure without holding the asset directly. But the yield is not guaranteed, and capped upside means you give up roughly 30% of any Bitcoin rally. Thailand has formally moved its digital asset framework from risk management into capital market building. The Thai SEC's June strategy briefing confirmed several changes are now live or close to it. Spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs structured as mutual funds with public consultation closed in May. A tokenized mutual fund framework that exempts these products from the traditional T+1 settlement cycle effective late this quarter. A bond token Sandbox run jointly with the Bank of Thailand, and a digital securities ecosystem center coordinating tokenized infrastructure. 6 investment token projects have already raised over $263 million across real estate, entertainment, and green finance sectors. Crypto futures on the Thailand Futures Exchange are also moving forward under the amended Derivatives Act. Bangkok is becoming the regulatory blueprint for emerging markets in our region, which is a tailwind for licensed local platforms, but pressure on offshore venues that serve Thai clients without a Thai license. A risk reminder for DeFi users. On June 15th, the structured options protocol Thetanuts Finance was exploited for approximately $2.1 million. The attack hit a deprecated legacy vault on Ethereum through an integer division truncation bug in the mint function, the same class of vulnerability that affected an older Thetanuts vault back in April. White hat actors recovered around $2 million in option tokens. The attacker swapped $105,000 in USDC for roughly 60 Ether. Thetanuts confirmed its current version 4 contracts and products are not affected. But this is the 13th DeFi exploit this month, bringing June total losses above $46 million. For Southeast Asia DeFi users, the message stays the same. Abandoned code is not safe code. Revoke approvals on old vaults, bridges, and rollups you no longer use. Quick recap of today's 3 stories. 1. BlackRock BITA launches. First Yield Bitcoin, ETF. 2. Thailand, SEC goes full market build mode. 3. Thetanuts exploit drains, $2.1 million. This video is for information and education only and is not financial advice. All investment decisions and risks are your own responsibility. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Chart analysis and trading insights. Join our free Telegram channel, link in the description. See you in the next one.